left. We still have 2-3 minutes left by my computer clock.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Okay, we have 2 minutes. Let me discuss. We have received a circular from the Gujarat government, Education Department, Government of Gujarat, that the campus is reopening on Monday, that is 11th of January. So teachers, of course, we have to go. And we have to take classes from there. Now, there is a consent form which probably, somebody would be posting for you. Now, how many of you, now you have 79 attendees I see here, how many of you are willing to come, in the face-to-face physical classroom? कितने हैं यहाँ पे, हैं क्या कोई?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, you all are willing
Yes,
to come?
ma'am.
मैम हम हॉस्टल वालों
Yes.
को बिकॉज अभी रूम अलोकेशन ट्रांसफर सब करना, अभी परमिशन भी नहीं मिली, तो हॉस्टल वाले जितने भी बचे उन लोगों को दिक्कत होगी।
अच्छा
उसमें
अच्छा
ऐसा फॉर्म में लिखा था कि हॉस्टल वालों को हॉस्टल वार्डन कंसर्न देंगे, बट एक रूम में एक ही स्टूडेंट होंगे ऐसा, पर वो हॉस्टल वार्डन को परमिशन देना होगा मैम।
अच्छा
और मैम
हाँ
ये पॉसिबल नहीं है बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू लिव इन हॉस्टल ओनली, एक रूम में 5 लोग भी होते थे, तो
I know,
उसमें
I
भी
know. I have stayed in this hostel. Yeah, I know. हाँ.
और
अच्छा.
एंड ऑल थिंग दे हैव टू डू अगेन, मतलब मेस के लिए भी इतनी स्पेस नहीं होती हमारे लिए।
I know. I've seen that. हाँ. अच्छा, तो मतलब all of you are planning to come, ऐसा? आप लोग सब प्लान कर रहे हो आने
Yes.
के?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
अच्छा, हॉस्टल वाले जितने
Yes,
हैं.
ma'am.
अच्छा. और जो लोकल कैंडिडेट्स हैं बड़ौदा वाले, वो भी? You are planning?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm local, but right now I am.
No, ma'am, actually not.
हाँ, पता नहीं. I don't know. I don't feel this decision is very good because I feel
Yes,
that
ma'am, it is not good, of course.
this whole term could have been, I mean, that's my personal feeling, that this term till April could have been on this online mode because तब तक vaccine वगैरह भी कुछ निकल आ जाता. I don't know really. Can teachers have to go? We to have to anyway go. Now classes will depend on कि कितने students physical mode में आते हैं. I don't know because yesterday only we got 2 दिन पहले we have circular आ गया है Education Department Government of Gujarat से that campus को खोलना है Monday से.
मैम हम तो यंगस्टर
क्या चीज? What? Youngsters
हम यंगस्टर
students मतलब?
स्टूडेंट्स तो क्यों हो सकते हैं, पर मैम टीचर्स जो भी है सब एज वाले भी कितने सारे फैकल्टीज में, तो उनको भी तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकते हैं अगर वो लोग इन्फेक्ट हो गए।
सब एज वाले तो हैं ही ना
अरे,
भाई. तो सब
अरे
हैं.
टीचर्स भी ठीक है, बट हम भी हमारे घर जाएंगे, हमारे भी तो पेरेंट्स हैं, वहां पे भी तो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होगी।
That is what, no, I feel it's a danger for everybody, teachers, students,
और
because
अपनी
you come in touch. हाँ,
यूनिवर्सिटी में ऑल ओवर आते हैं, सब आते हैं अपने यूनिवर्सिटीज में से, सारे स्टेट वाइज आते हैं, तो इट इज टू रिस्की एज फॉर नाउ।
In Bihar, the school was reopened, and then 25 to 30 students were found positive.
अफेक्टेड,
कहाँ
हाँ,
पे?
यस मैम,
कहाँ पे?
इमीडिएटली द स्कूल वाज क्लोज्ड।
Ma'am, in
कौन सा
Bihar.
स्कूल? कौन
Bihar.
सा स्कूल बोल रहे हो? कौन सा
बिहार।
स्कूल? अच्छा, बिहार.
Ma'am, that don't news in
अच्छा,
Bihar.
न्यूज में था.
Yes,
अच्छा.
ma'am. It's India.
You can, I think the dean will have a meeting maybe with you and you can voice your concerns. जो भी है, I don't know, whatever you feel, because consent form में depend करेगा कि जितने students consent देते हैं उसके मुताबिक classes arrange होंगे. So I don't know modality क्या है, but of course we will be there. But so you can think, make up your mind and think all positive, negative. and give your consent, because consent के बिना students को नहीं allow करेंगे. You have to give your consent, because they want it in written consent forms में. So it has to be written and signed by all of you who are willing to come. सोच समझ कर आप लोग करिए जो भी करना है. Okay, anyway.
Ma'am, but what if maximum student consign में yes कर देते हैं और फिर जिन्हें नहीं करना, no करना है, तो उनके लिए फिर online classes arrange होंगी या नहीं होंगी?
पता नहीं भैया, I have no idea. I don't know. दोनों होंगी, शायद होंगी. I have no idea because we've had no meeting. मेरे ख्याल से तो होंगी.
इस पॉइंट को कंसीडर करना मैम, अगर मीटिंग हो इन केस, तो इस पॉइंट को जरूर कंसीडर करना.
No, I'm sure the dean will take a meeting. I'm sure Professor R.C. Patel will have a meeting with you people. I'm 100% sure. And so you ask all these questions which you are asking me, because I am not a policy maker. I am not a decision maker, He has the chair, so he will be able to tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
So ये सब जो doubts है, or you can all request for a meeting also, because he's in the group of your B.Ed semester 1. So all these questions that you're asking me, you can request also for a meeting and have a discussion with him. That is the best thing.
मैम आप ही गए तो पर बेंच पर स्टूडेंट होगा, तो हमें तो 100 स्टूडेंट्स है, तो ये भी पॉसिबल नहीं है.
नहीं, वही तो बात है. That is the whole thing. I don't know. Maybe batches में होगा, कैसे होगा, sections में होगा. You ask all these questions. So.
Ma'am, I think but the circulars was only for PG students, na ma'am?
वो तो पहले का.
Final.
No, that was पहले का circular. I'm talking about the new circular which is now come. वो तो PG वाला and practicals वाला and doctoral students, वो तो पहले का circular you are talking. That is an old circular. I'm talking about the new circular which has come. Now we have to report to duty from Monday. And students ka we are not that you ask all these questions, and you can also request for a meeting with Professor R.C. Patel. He's in the same group as you all are, B.Ed semester 1, and ask all these doubts that you are asking me, because he will be the best person, to tell you. So that is, and abhi tak to theek hai, till you all are not there, we will be taking online classes. Even department mein bhi jaake I will be taking online classes. So abhi to isme time hoga ya kya hoga, I don't really know. Chalo, okay. Now let's start with the new topic. We are here 93 of us, everybody is joined. So let's start with the new sub unit that we have, or the new topic that we have. And that is, before I tell you the topic, you tell me that कि अगर हमें एक rich discourse का environment अपने classroom में create करना है, so what is the most important feature जो आपको लगता है कि उससे एक rich discourse का environment create हो सकता है? Yes, past. Yes.
Ma'am, Deepak here. Talk is necessary.
What is necessary?
Talk.
क्या चीज?
Talk is necessary.
Talk.
Between student, teacher, student.
Talk.
Group
Okay.
discussion.
Talk, you're saying, acha, okay, talk is necessary. And ठीक है, that's perfectly right what you're saying, Deepak. लेकिन और specific अगर हम कहना चाहें, तो हम इस talk को हम कैसे generate करेंगे, या हम इसको कैसे create करेंगे, और हमारे environment में हमारा जो classroom का माहौल है, उसमें जो discourse का माहौल है, उसको enrich कैसे करेंगे, उसको strengthen कैसे करेंगे, उसको और हम important और meaningful, असरदार उसको हम कैसे बनाएंगे? Yes. What technique can be used? Yes.
By asking questions.
Wonderful. So questioning, remember, I told you somewhere before, also is a very powerful tool. हम बार मैं आपको ये बता रही हूँ, because हम अक्सर क्लास में ये देखते हैं कि questioning का जो nature है, questioning का जो technique है, वो ठीक प्रकार से नहीं हो पाता है. और because questioning एक technique है, एक skill है, जो हम सबको as future teachers of tomorrow सीखना है. ओके, सो अनलेस एंड अनटिल आपका क्वेश्चनिंग का जो टेक्निक है वो ठीक नहीं होगा, अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं होगा, क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो मीनिंगफुल नहीं होंगे, तो आपको जो डिस्कोर्स का एक इन्वायरमेंट है वो आप क्रिएट नहीं कर पाएंगे. Here, one very important thing is that अब ये क्वेश्चन एक इस जो इस टेक्निक को हम क्या बोलते हैं कि अगर हमको इंफॉर्मेशन अपने स्टूडेंट से चाहिए, अगर वो टॉक करें एज ही सेड, वो इंटरैक्ट करें, वो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दें, और वो उस टेक्निक को हम क्या कहते हैं, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू हर्ड ऑफ दिस वर्ड, यू नो, उस इंफॉर्मेशन को एलिसिट करना. You know, now this is a word in English. Now this technique is called, write down the spelling. Okay, write down the spelling. Then I'll explain to you. E-L-I, E-L-I, C-I-T-A, C-I-T-A, T-I-O-N, T-I-O-N, elicitation. Okay, what is it called? Elicitation technique. Now ये टेक्निक डिस्कोर्स को क्रिएट करने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक फीचर है इसका. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस एलिसिटेशन टेक्निक? यू नो, कोई चीज को एलिसिट करना, दैट इज व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय दिस? एनीवन वुड लाइक टू ट्राई?
To get something from someone.
Hmm?
To get something from someone.
Okay, to get something, Mariam is saying to get something from someone. Elicit karna, elicitation technique. Now, I'm sorry, I don't know what is the Gujaratis का equivalent क्या है या हिंदी equivalent क्या है. I don't know really, दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा है अभी. You know, what would it be? Now, who's here? हिंदी मेथड का कोई है यहाँ पे या गुजराती मास्टर्स? स्टूडेंट से इंफॉर्मेशन निकालना क्या बोलेंगे गुजराती या हिंदी में? एलिसिट करने को, यू नो, आई एम नॉट नोइंग द गुजराती और द हिंदी इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ दिस.
जानकारियां प्राप्त करना मैम.
क्या चीज? क्या चीज?
बच्चों से जानकारियां हासिल करना मैम.
हाँ, बच्चों से जानकारी हासिल करना. और गुजराती में क्या बोलेंगे?
વિદ્યાર્થીઓ પાસેથી માહિતી એકઠી કરવી.
માહિતી, हाँ, ओके, माहिती. Now,
Ma'am, in Gujarati we can also say અગત્યતાની સૂચનાઓ મેળવવી.
अच्छा, सूच
सोचना आएगा, फिर बोलना आएगा। मतलब अगर अलाउ ही नहीं करेंगे तो वो कैसे सोच पाएंगे?
ओके फाइन। बोलना आएगा, एक्सप्रेशन है, थॉट्स है, आइडियाज है, ठीक है, वेरी गुड। एनीथिंग एल्स? इससे व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग एट इज, बोलिए। यस
मैम, करिश्मा हियर।
या बोलिए।
मैम, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग होगा इससे स्टूडेंट्स में।
Okay, very good. Now that's a very good thing she has done. Brainstorming होगा. So इससे जो teaching learning process है वो कैसा हो जाएगा? So teaching will become what kind? What kind of teaching will it be now? Yes, now there is brainstorming, she's saying. So what kind of teaching will it be? Yes.
मैम, डायनामिक टीचिंग।
Yes, dynamic, okay, ठीक है, stimulating, vibrant होगा, there'll be an environment जहाँ पे, which is enthusiastic है, जोश है, vibrant है, yes, but what kind of teaching will it be? जो कि आज हमारा objective है, what kind of teaching do we want? जो आज हमारा objective है, what do you say?
Rich, ma'am, or effective.
हाँ ठीक है, effective, but I'm looking for a word which you all know, आप सब जानते हैं. How do you want, the teaching methodologies to be today?
Ma'am, interactive.
Okay, so is there any other word? That's right, interactive, yes. So interactive teaching methodology, कोई और शब्द है आपके दिमाग में? Anything else comes to your mind? कुछ और हम
मैम, more inclusive.
Okay.
में होना चाहिए।
Yes, Divya.
मैम,
yes.
मैम Aditi.
What is it?
Ma'am, learner centered.
Wonderful. That is the word I'm looking for. Wonderful. So what you want today's teaching is a learner-centered teaching, Not today. Agar, actually तो आप देखिए, right from the day of Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore and Rousseau, somewhere you must be doing these philosophers will be there in some contemporary India में शायद कहीं पे होगा ये. It is not new, Mahatma Gandhi has also talked about head, heart and this thing. So it is already being said, many of our philosophers and educators have talked about, Tagore has talked about, everyone has talked about, Indian philosophers ने बात की है, Western philosophers ने बात की है, Dewey ने बात की है, Rousseau ने बात की है. So बहुत लोग ने this learner centered teaching की बात की है, but still हम देखते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं क्या होता है कि teaching learner centered के बजाय teacher centered हो जाता है, and that is not what we want, and that for years that is not what we want, and हर एक policy document में कहा जाता है learner centered, interaction, classroom discourse, but फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गैप रह जाता है कि टीचर्स पढ़ते तो हैं इसके बारे में, स्टूडेंट टीचर्स, लेकिन जब वो क्लासरूम में जाते हैं, I don't know what happens, that somewhere teaching becomes teacher centered. So we want a classroom discourse which is absolutely a learner centered classroom discourse, where questioning skill का हमें इस्तेमाल करना है, and that is why elicitation is important, क्योंकि हमको इस प्रकार के questions पूछने हैं और सब प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं जिससे डिस्कोर्स में इंटरैक्शन हो और जिससे डिस्कोर्स would be meaningful हो, effective हो, as you all have been saying, so we are now going to see now what kind of questions can you all ask. Now the question here is that there are different type of questions which as a teacher आप classroom में पूछ सकते हैं to make your discourse more effective, उसको और असरदार बनाने के लिए, उसको और effective बनाने के लिए, उसको और dynamic बनाने के लिए. What are the types of questions? I'm sure बहुत सारे questions तो आपको मालूम भी होंगे, because many of you have taught in schools, बहुत लोगों ने पढ़ाया है, and many of you, would know also in some other course also, maybe iski reference aayi hai. But still, I would like to take it, one by one, that what are these questions, which types of questions now, which can be asked. हाँ, tell me, कुछ है क्या आपके दिमाग में?
Open-ended method.
Okay, yes.
Open-ended.
Yeah, definitely.
Close-ended.
Yes, close-ended. So these are two common kinds, ये mostly all of us know these two types of questions, जो कि अक्सर हम इसकी बात करते हैं, open-ended questions and close-ended questions, which is also in my own list of questions which I have with me. So, but before that, I'm going to talk about, another two types of questions, which again, you may not know the name, शायद उसका नाम आपको मालूम ना हो, लेकिन वो क्वेश्चंस क्या हैं वो जरूर आपने उसका जवाब दिया है क्लासरूम में, एंड अपने स्कूल में, अपने कॉलेज में, अगर आपको टीचिंग का एक्सपीरियंस है तो आपने ये क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछा भी होगा, आई एम श्योर, 100% श्योर. बट हो सकता है कि उसका नाम शायद, उसका टेक्निकल नाम क्या है उस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस का, वो शायद आपको मालूम ना हो, which I shall discuss with you today. Okay. Now the first kind of questions जो हम पूछ सकते हैं अपने क्लासरूम डिस्कोर्स में, and that is known as display questions. Okay, DISPLAY. Okay, display questions. Now, why the name display has been given? ये display का अर्थ है, ये डिस्प्ले का नाम इसलिए है क्योंकि स्टूडेंट जो है वो आंसर को डिस्प्ले करता है, ठीक है, दिखाता है. डिस्प्ले कोई चीज को दिखाना, इट इज डिस्प्लेड. हम ये एक शब्द का हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, कोई चीज को दिखाने को हम डिस्प्ले करो, दिखाओ, तो वो आंसर अपना उसको वो दिखाता है टीचर को. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज this question is also known as, jiska information is known to the teacher. So these kind of questions are also known as known information questions. Okay, known information questions. So the teacher here actually knows the information, it is not something that usko ये question का answer मालूम नहीं है. So कहने का मतलब है कि teacher को इन जो question जो teacher पूछता है या पूछती है, जो वो पूछते हैं, उसका answer teacher को मालूम है. Number one, this is what you have to remember. Number two, यहाँ पे एक और important point ये है कि अधिकतर केसेस में स्टूडेंट्स को भी इसका आंसर मालूम है. ओके, सो अधिकतर केसेस में, आई डोंट से ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, आई कैन नॉट से ऑल बिकॉज ऑल मे नॉट नो. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज लार्जली. Okay, so I'm using the words with a lot of caution. I'm using the word, mostly. Okay, so I'm not saying all, remember, so I'm saying mostly we find that students also know the answer to these questions. Okay, and the teacher को तो मालूम ही है. So यहाँ पे no new information. The teacher does not get any new information. So what is the information which the teacher gets here? Yeah. What is the information the teacher gets here? I said the teacher already knows the answer. So what is the information the teacher gets?
Ma'am, Khushbu, known.
Known information.
So that the information which they already know. So the teacher gets the information which they already know. Okay. So then why are we asking the students this? Yes.
so that
Why,
the
why
teacher.
should you ask? No, why should you ask these questions? You know, you ask them, ki, okay, we have just discussed, you know, the formula a plus b whole square. You know, what is a plus b whole square? You ask them. You have discussed articles. You say a, an, and the are articles. You know, definite, indefinite articles. Tell me the names of definite and indefinite article. Okay, you ask them. You are saying, okay, green leaves, you know, make their food by photosynthesis. How do green leaves make their food? So what are you doing then? Okay, why are you asking them in your classroom discourse?
To evaluate them.
Back to understand students' learning.
Yes. So you're basically testing the knowledge of the students. Okay. So you know the answer, you know, and largely I'm saying students may also know the answer, you know, but why? But they are important, you know, they have their own importance, though the answers are pretty short. You know, another point here is answers. It's a limited response, I could say. You know, answers are short. Okay, they are not long. Okay, they have a limited response. Okay, so you could also say, okay, why 26th of January, you know, what do we celebrate? Okay, the Republic Day. Okay, so it has a short limited response which is there, and the teacher already knows, yes, 26th January is a Republic Day. Okay, so you already know that, you know, and 31st January, what happened? You know, so you already know that. So that is one thing which is important, you know, over here in this short and simple responses which are given in these display questions. But they have their importance, like I said, because many times, you know, you want them to practice, you know, you want them to repeat. You know why? Because you want them कि उनके जो concepts आप पढ़ा रहे हैं या formula आप पढ़ा रहे हैं या आप figures of speech पढ़ाते हैं, you know, या आप संधि पढ़ाते हैं या आप जो भी संज्ञा पढ़ाते हैं, आप जो भी पढ़ा रहे हैं उनके दिमाग में consolidate हो जाए. Consolidate का मतलब है it becomes a part of them, you know, उनको अच्छी तरीके से formula समझ में आ जाए या law समझ में आ जाए या principle समझ में आ जाए या जो भी आप पढ़ा रहे हैं उसका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है उनको अच्छी तरीके से, तो आप एक तरीके से उनको प्रैक्टिस करा रहे हैं. You know, you're giving them opportunity for practice. की प्रैक्टिस करा के वो ठीक है, वो short answer है, simple answer है, और it is and it involves not a lot of thinking, you know, क्योंकि आपको मालूम है कि इसमें कोई बहुत thinking का involvement नहीं है. You know, it can just be a correct answer also. It can be a yes and no answer also. So, in other words, this could also be, you know, display questions can also be, you know, what kind of questions? They overlap with what kind of questions? They would overlap with the short, simple, will overlap with what kind of questions? I said at a low cognitive level, you know. They can also be what? The answer is known to the teacher. ज़्यादा thinking नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay, answer can
Practice
also be
question.
yes or no. Low cognitive level, मतलब low thinking involved है. ज़्यादा दिमाग, you know, सोचने की और रीजनिंग की शक्ति हम यहाँ बहुत यूज लर्नर नहीं करता है. So it can also be what kind of question? You know it. Someone just told me. Sochi. I'm saying short responsive, limited responsive, low cognitive level, can be correct, can be yes and no. You know, टीचर को इसका आंसर मालूम है, फिर भी कराया जा रहा है कि उनको प्रैक्टिस मिले, अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया जा रहा है कि उनके दिमाग में कंसोलिडेट हो, बैठ जाए, you know, उनको याद रहे, रिटेन हो. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जिसे हम डिस्प्ले क्वेश्चन कहते हैं, जहां कोई टीचर को नई जानकारी हासिल नहीं होती है, नई सूचना नहीं मिलती है, नया इंफॉर्मेशन कुछ खास नहीं मिलता है, और स्टूडेंट्स को भी हो सकता है उन्हें भी मालूम हो, you know. So तो ये क्वेश्चन टू टाइप जिसे हम डिस्प्ले क्वेश्चंस बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि जो लर्नर है वो आंसर को, इंफॉर्मेशन को, माहिती को डिस्प्ले करता है टीचर के सामने। तो ये और कौन सा टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन हो सकता है? Someone just told me, that is why I'm asking you. Yes. You told me. I said it can be short response, limited response, yes and no, low thinking, not much reasoning, not much thinking. You know, it is for interaction, it is for practice, because we want them to participate. You know, we want them to say something to us. Yes, Divya, you're saying something?
One word question?
No, you told me.
Practice type questions.
Ma'am, it is practice questions.
कौन सा?
Practice.
नहीं, प्रैक्टिस तो क्वेश्चनिंग से कराया जाता है, प्रैक्टिस टाइप कोई नहीं होता है। हर क्वेश्चन में हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, हर क्वेश्चन पूछ के हम प्रैक्टिस तो कर रहे हैं। तो someone told me, अभी आप लोग ने क्या टाइप्स बताया मुझे? Where is that?
Open-ended, ma'am, open-ended.
How can this be open-ended? I'm saying that one word, it can be limited response, yes and no.
Short and type.
Short and simple.
So what type is it? Who's the person who told me close-ended? Close-ended किसने बोला था?
मैंने बोला था, मैम।
What's your name?
प्रियंका।
तो प्रियंका, तो फिर बोला था, then you don't know the meaning of close-ended? कैसे बोला आपने? That means you don't know the meaning of close-ended.
मैम, close-ended का मीनिंग yes और no में ही होता है आंसर।
हाँ, नहीं, it can be a short response, you know, it can be a multiple choice. Yes and no is one type of close-ended, okay? So it can still be a one word, it can be a limited response, you can have 4 responses, you can, you know, give it, just 1 minute, just 1 minute. Madhvi, I'm in a class, I'll call you at 12:30. Okay. Okay, so any limited response question, you know, where I say yes and no, and you know, and where, you know, which I know, so that would be a close-ended question. So it could be yes and no, it could be just a one-word response, it could be, you know, any limited response question. So that would be, so this display question can also be, you know, can also be close-ended question. So that was the word I was looking for. So it overlaps with that. Now we come to the next type. So you can write down, let me tell you the spelling, okay. Referential, R-E-F, E-R-E, R-E-F, E-R-E, N-T, N-T, I-A-L, N-T, I-A-L, referential, okay, referential questions, okay, referential questions. Now, what would be the opposite of display questions? Tell me. Yes, what would be the opposite of display questions? Anyone? You tell me.
Questions in which thinking is required.
Okay, but before that, referential questions. What would be the opposite? I'm giving you a clue. Hint मैं दे रही हूँ, I'm probing कि ये display questions के विपरीत है. उसका ऑपोजिट है। तो अगर आप सोचें तो डिस्प्ले क्वेश्चंस का ऑपोजिट आपका क्या होगा? शी इज राइट, व्हाट शी हैज सेड जस्ट नाउ, हाई थिंकिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड। लेकिन उससे पहले हम क्या बोलेंगे? टीचर,
Ma'am,
does
with
teacher know the
information
answer?
not.
Does teacher know the answer? Does
Not
teacher know the
exactly.
answer? I'm asking you.
Not exactly, ma'am.
In display, teacher knew the answer. Teacher had the information. Teacher had the knowledge. If I'm comparing, it was low thinking. It had short, simple, limited response था. जवाब छोटा था, limited था, short था, yes and no था, one word था. You know, could have been anything. अब इसमें referential questions में आपको क्या लगता है? Teacher knows the information. Does teacher know the answers?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. No, ma'am.
मैं बोल रही हूँ उसके opposite है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, कैसे उसके opposite I'm saying, then you're saying yes. हाँ.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Teacher doesn't know the answer.
The teacher now, referential question, because I'm telling you, I gave you a hint that it is the opposite of display questions. Okay, तो यहाँ पे जो discourse हो रहा है आपका, और जो teacher discourse में जो questioning हो रहा है, जो questioning teachers करते हैं यहाँ पे, they do not know the answers. So the questioner, no, let me call the teacher the questionnaire, ER करके अगर if I call, the questionnaire at the time of inquiry does not know the answer. Okay, so the teacher here, teacher को answer in simple words, teacher को answer नहीं मालूम है. Okay, so teacher here does not know the answer. So the answer is, okay, it's taken, you know, it's new knowledge. So the answer is sought by the learner. So learner जो है answer देता है, और teacher के लिए जो ये knowledge है ये नया है, you know. So it is new knowledge here for the teacher. So here, you know, supposing you ask, you can ask, you know, certain questions to the learner, जिसका आपको answer, जिसका जवाब teacher को मालूम नहीं है. Now, if you ask, let's say you're teaching, you know, pollution, and supposing you ask the students, how would you improve? Give me some solutions to improve, you know, okay, this, give me some solutions that you think of, you know, during the lockdown, for exercising. How did you exercise during the lockdown? You know, so she doesn't know that how the exercise was done. Okay, or is swimming, let's say, you know, a better exercise than cycling? How? So you can ask, you know, which the teacher may not know what the student is going to say. See, because teacher may have her own opinion, you know, but what the student is going to say, the teacher does not know the information here. So that is one thing which you have to keep in mind, that, you know, so these questions require reasoning. These questions require thinking. These questions are at a high cognitive level. If the air quality index of Delhi has become 400, according to you, what is the solution? Okay, so teacher does not know the solution which the student is going to speak. Okay, I may know some solution I want. Okay, but I don't know here what the student is going to speak, you know. So here that becomes very, very important here. So did you face mental anxiety and stress during the lockdown period? You know, how did you overcome that? See, this question, maybe you're teaching something, you know, which deals with anxiety and stress. So you again don't know what the student, how the student dealt with that. आपको ये मालूम नहीं है कि student आपको क्या information दे रहा है, और इस वजह से आपको जो information student देगा, you know, it could be new information which I may not have really the answer for that, you know. So that we have to keep in mind, that here it requires thinking, it requires reasoning, and these questions, they are a high cognitive level, and the information is new for the teacher. So that is very important here. So the learner, has to ask and give the information. You have to ask the learner to give the information. So that is, and so here the learner can think and have a different perspective, and think and have different opinion. यहाँ पे learner का opinion कुछ भी हो सकता है, and someone may say, yes, I had anxiety, तो मैंने meditation किया, मैंने प्रार्थना की, मैंने yoga किया. So any information which the learner gives, which could be new information for you, which the learner is giving. So that is one thing which we have to remember here, that the teacher may not have the information which the learner is giving, So that is one thing. It is from the learner's perspective कि learner क्या कह रहा है, वो कुछ भी कह सकता है. यहाँ पे अपना सोच लगा के, अपना reasoning लगा के, अपना thinking लगा के, अपना critical thinking use करके, अपना analytical thinking use करके, अपना creative thinking use करके, learner here can. So that is why जब इतना thinking का यहाँ पे use होता है, so that is why we say that it is at a high cognitive level. यहाँ पे ये high thinking है, और यहाँ पे thinking हम अपने brain का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, high level पे करते हैं. So that is an important point over here, which is there now. And so how would you, and you can have many activities also to create these kind of thinking, like someone said just now, brainstorming hai, quizzes hai, discussion hai, general knowledge पे discussion है. तो हम ये सब कर सकते हैं, thinking को generate करने के लिए, reasoning को create करने के लिए, develop करने के लिए, कि जो learner है वो सोचे, और हमारे ऐसे जो थिंकिंग क्वेश्चंस हैं, जो थॉट प्रोवोकिंग क्वेश्चंस है, उसका लर्नर जो है वो जवाब दे. सो दैट बिकम्स इम्पोर्टेंट ओवर हियर. सो ये इस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस को हम और दूसरा क्या बोल सकते हैं?
Open-ended questions.
Yeah, wonderful. Yes. So these are your open-ended questions also. So that is why I'm saying कि जो question types है उसको हम compartmentalize नहीं कर सकते. उन सब के बीच में एक बहुत strict boundary नहीं है, एक दीवार नहीं है. Because display questions can also be close-ended, and referential questions can also be open-ended. Okay, and close-ended questions can also be display questions, and referential question and open-ended can also be referential questions. So they're overlapping, जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना कि दोनों में एक बहुत जो strict जो है लकीर नहीं है, इन दोनों के बीच में कोई बहुत strong दीवार नहीं है. हम एक दूसरे से ये they can overlap. That is what I'm trying to say. So these questions which you say, referential questions, these are thinking questions. इसमें I can use any number of words. हम कितने भी शब्दों का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. हम सोचते हैं, हम analyze करते हैं, हम उसको critique करते हैं, और फिर हम उसका जवाब देते हैं. हम compare करते हैं, हम contrast करते हैं, और फिर हम उसका जवाब देते हैं, and which the teacher doesn't know, because जो learner का जवाब है वो learner का ही जवाब है. So there is some new information that seems to be coming out. लेकिन अब इस questions को, another thing is, here the most problematic चीज क्या होता है कि अब ये thinking questions and thought provoking questions and referential questions जिसे हम बोलते हैं को frame करना is a skill. So जब आप lesson plans बनाते हैं, आप concept को, आप content analysis करते हैं, in your third semester, second semester में आपका pedagogy का course start होगा, methodology का course start होगा second और third semester में, and third semester में you will go to schools for your internship. अब problem यहाँ पे आता है कि theory में everything sounds good, when I'm telling you, everything sounds very good to you. हाँ, ये तो ये है. But the problem, what I see comes, when students go into the classroom and you start actual teaching. Now, when there is actual teaching hota hai, now how many of these questions can you frame? Mostly I find that there would be close-ended questions or display questions, and these, open-ended and thinking questions, high order thinking questions, kitne teachers पूछते हैं, वहाँ पे the problem comes. So that skill has to be developed. How many things, how many questions can, which have, applied questions in science, in mathematics, and even in languages, synthesis questions. Synthesis मतलब उसका end को कुछ नया create करना, एक poetry है, prose है, उसके end को change कर देना, नया कुछ create करना, social sciences है, क्या करना, अगर हिटलर नहीं होता तो क्या होता जर्मनी में, you have various thinking questions. अगर ये war नहीं होता तो अगर हिटलर नहीं होता या युद्ध नहीं होता तो क्या, you have to think, you really have to think. अगर जर्मनी का कोई और होता, administrator, तो क्या होता. So in every subject there is a possibility. Remember, ये मत सोचिए कि language में possibility नहीं है और science में ही हम बहुत reasoning पूछ सकते हैं और thinking पूछ सकते हैं. ये बिल्कुल गलत धारणा है. Okay, whether it is language, whether it is social science, whether it is mathematics, whether it is science, thinking, referential questions, हर जगह scope है पूछने का. In languages हम evaluate करते हैं, हम judge करते हैं, हम create करते हैं. Okay, so there are different ways of asking questions. In science हम apply करते हैं, analyze करते हैं. So there are different ways of doing it. So because why I'm telling you, very commonly I find this, नहीं इसमें तो scope नहीं है madam, इसमें तो नहीं है, कैसे पूछे? No. I don't agree to that. Every subject has scope for asking these, all kinds of questions that we are talking about today. Thinking, reasoning, all kind of questions, okay? Now, is there any doubt of these two questions? Please ask. Yes. Anyone? Now, all those students जिनको थोड़ा English समझने में problem है, am I clear to you? मेरी भाषा समझ में आती है?
जी मैम.
Yes, all those, especially who are from, totally Gujarati medium, because some students were telling me that, that हम लोग को थोड़ा मुश्किल है English समझने में. So, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
जिसको इंग्लिश समझने में प्रॉब्लम है, आपको मेरी भाषा समझ में आती है? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
तो थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए ना. Let me also listen. Yes or no? You can understand Hindi?
Yes, ma'am.
हिंदी समझ में आती है?
Yes ma'am.
हाँ मैम.
ओके, क्योंकि મને ગુજરાતી બહુ સારું નથી આવડતું, હું ફ્લુઅન્ટ નથી. So Hindi से you can understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So okay, we still have, the time is up. And we still have some questions, more types of questions to do, which now I don't know now on Tuesday. Of course, I'll be taking an online class because I don't know how many of you are going to consent. I have no idea, because वो form आप लोग को भर के भेजना है. What have you been told?
मैम सर ने यही बोला है.
हाँ, क्या कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन है क्या आप लोग के लिए? कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन है क्या? What is it? Yeah.
मैम सर कल इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे थे पर वो पूरे नहीं दे पाए, तो वो आज या कल वापस डिस्कस करेंगे पूरा उसका.
मतलब इन जनरल था मैम.
ओके, हाँ. So you will have a meeting. So please जो भी doubts है कि online होगा, खाली offline होगा या दोनों होगा, parallel चलेगा, जो भी doubts है, एक class में कितने students होंगे, you know, 2-3 sections बनेगा. Please clarify all your doubts because Professor R.C. Patel is the right person. He is the head and the dean, so he will be able to answer all your questions. ठीक है ना? Note in a piece of paper what you want to ask so you don't forget and clarify everything. ठीक है? चलो. Okay, thank you. We'll meet again on. हाँ. Yes, please.
Ma'am, are you going to share any material of this unit?
I don't have any material because I'm doing that is why I'm giving you the points, you know, and see, because even if the PowerPoint का कोई मतलब नहीं है because only the points I can write, and that is why I'm doing so much of discussion so that you can write in your own language. Okay, and that is the reason, you know, you can write when I'm discussing, you write in your own language because you are allowed to write in Hindi, Gujarati and English in your answer paper. So because so जो गुजराती prefer करते हैं, they can write it in Gujarati while I'm explaining. जिनको हिंदी में लिखना है वो हिंदी में लिखिए, जिनको English में लिखना है English में लिखिए. That is it. Okay. चलो. Okay, but I'll tell you some sources. I can tell you that I will tell you. Okay, some references. Okay, because see, even if I give you material, it will be short because I cannot put all discussion in the material. You understand? सबसे important है concept को समझने में the discussion that we are doing. तो material होगा भी तो, you know, I can, you know, just make it something short and give it to you if you want, but it will be very short. Discussion तो नहीं होगा उसमें. ठीक है ना? So यहाँ पे समझना बहुत important है. And that is why I'm spending so much time. ठीक है? चलो. Okay, we'll meet on Tuesday. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Thank you.